is up, everybody? Check it out. So we're gonna open the garage here. It's kind of gonna be loud, but check this out. Things got a little buck wild last night. Whew, man. Not me. No, I didn't. Things, wind, and this is the result. So we're gonna go see that farm truck back there, right over there. See that farm truck? We're gonna go get the farm truck. We're gonna get the Sawzall. And when I say Sawzall, it's because I have a chainsaw over here, but the bar and the chain, it's all junk. It's all junk. It's crap. In fact, I don't even know if I still have it. I actually might have gave it to Matt. I do think I still have one somewhere around here, but you know how things go, dude. Life gets crazy and things get put places and you don't know where to go. So, but the Blazer, she's leaking out the differential back there, and she's got some funny vibrations coming from the front again, and I believe it's in my front axle somewhere with that full-time four-wheel drive. But anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna go fire up the farm truck. We're gonna get it moved over here, and we're gonna put some debris in the back of it. So I'm gonna go grab my Sawzall, and we're gonna cut this tree up with the Sawzall. Let's see if this Makita battery-powered Sawzall can cut up this tree. All right. So I took my hat off because, well, I got my drink over there and got flies and stuff. And, you know, I just took my hat and covered it. So anyways, let's go. Here we go, here we go. All right, now I actually just fired this thing up not too long ago because, well, I moved it so that we could get the tires put on, tires and wheels. So let's see if this thing starts. Got the fuel pump going. That's this little thing down here. Yeah, let's see if this thing will fire up. No, I'm gonna have to stick the jump starter on. Shoot. Dang it. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, let's see what happens. I got the Jeep hooked up. I had to do a little modification to the battery spot down in there. I broke it one time, so I had to fix it. Put a piece of board there. Oh, listen to that. There she goes. She fired up. She sounds good. Yeah, I think so anyways. So we're gonna disconnect the two trucks. Listen to that baby purr. Oh yeah, she's good. Damn. Oh, why is that wire so long? Look at that. Look at this. What is that? I don't know, man. The things some people do, I don't understand it. But if you buy a used vehicle and you truly go over it and look at a few things, you're gonna find some things that are just not right. So we're gonna stush this back in here. I got some brakes. We're gonna put some brakes on the work truck and this Ford right here. I need to put new brakes on that. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna move the Jeep and then we're gonna get cutting this tree. I had to put a piece of wood under here because it broke and yeah. Also, my lid broke. Huh. What do you know? I gotta fix that too. She fell out because my battery smashed into it.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
All right, folks, check this out. So, I don't got much battery left on this GoPro because I filmed a little time lapse of us getting the tree, but we did it. One of these big trees, literally, I know you don't believe me, but those who know that this is literally the whole tree inside this truck bed. So minus, all right, I have a confession. We have a little firewood that we're gonna dry out and take with us on a trip, but look, it's not very much. It's just a tiny amount. So minus that tree that was in our driveway is literally right there in the truck. So I'm gonna go dump the truck, and then I gotta fix some brakes on my work truck. So catch that video. If you got an F-150, I'm gonna change the front brakes on it. But other than that, that's it for this video. So smile every morning when you get out of bed. You smile. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way